Hey, what's up guys? So gonna be doing another video today. Gonna be swapping out these factory OEM headlights to some aftermarkets that still have the OEM feel, but instead of chrome right here, it's gonna be black. So let's get to it. For full disclosure, these headlights were sent to me from Torchbeam, and they didn't pay me to say anything. They didn't give me a script. They just told me, here's some lights if you want to make a video. So that's what I'm doing, guys. They're not going to be reviewing before I add anything. So, you know, take it for what it is. So here's the box that you're going to get. So they give you a couple gloves, which these are really handy for when you're handling the light bulbs, because you don't want to get the oil from your hands on the bulbs at all. You get a sales service guarantee card, and then you get some installation advice here. And of course, you get the lights. All right, let's take a look at the back side. So one thing that's important, you can see this deal here. Now this is how you're going to control if the bulbs have to kind of point up or down. You don't want them too high, blind people, but if they're too far down, you can't see that far in front of you. So you want to make sure you check in and make some adjustments with that. All right, so let's go ahead and get this thing in. Well, as you guys can see at the bottom, I have the OEM headlight assembly. Then as we go up, you can see the headlight from Torchbeam. So these are very much a replica of the OEM style. So a lot of people don't like to change it up too much, and maybe your OEMs just went bad on you and you just want to get some more. They also have the all chrome version, so you can replace your bottom headlight with this exact match and it'll look great for way cheaper than OEM parts. All right, first thing we're gonna need to do is remove this little fitting here on top. Now I'm using auto clip pliers. If you don't have some of these, you can just use a trim removal tool, or even a screwdriver will eventually work in a pinch. So I'm just gonna go in here. All right, pull that up. So then this part just comes out like that. And then you're gonna have 3 10mm bolts. I'm gonna use my little impact, but you can use, of course, just a small ratchet and you can get these removed. So like I said, 10mm. There's like an anchor that's back here. So when you're pulling this out, you don't want to just pull down. And this also grabs, it's like a little lip on here that kind of grabs this bumper. So you kind of want to more pull up and out. Oh yeah. And then you have this that's kind of sitting in this hole. You can just lift up on it, it's a little tab. You lift up on the tab and this starts to come out. All right guys, so on your back side, you'll have all your plugs. You just give them a quarter turn and they'll come out. Boom, just like that. So there's your factory coming out. I'm gonna leave the plastic on until I get it all the way installed, but I'm gonna pull it back just a little bit so it's not getting caught. There we go. So like in this case, this is gonna actually come out of there and we're gonna plug this right onto there. The new light by Torchbeam already comes with a turn signal bulb. You will need your headlight for it though. I do recommend LEDs. So you got a little hole right here. And there's a little piece of plastic that fits, that kind of guides everything in. Make sure you're lined up and get all your holes lined up. At this point, I was able to snap the little piece in the back, and I got the guide all lined up. All the holes are lined up, and this little tab is in. So it's ready for the screws at this point. one on top. All right, go ahead and tear that plastic off, guys. Look at this. How satisfying is that? All right, let's get the other side. I'm gonna actually do the other side off camera because it's just the same as this side. All right, guys, so here it is. You see that black behind that plastic there for the on the headlight assembly. And it coordinates real nice with the black if you decide to go with a grill like this. So it very much has an OEM feel, but an updated look. And like I said, if you needed the chrome, they've got that too. So you guys see it with yourself, see it with your own eyes, see what it looks like. If you like this video and you want to see more like it, don't forget to like and subscribe.